Now, you citizens of Boston, don't you think it's a scandal how the people have to pay and pay? Fight the fare increase, vote for George O'Brien, get for Charlie off the MTA. It's an old song, but a good one. I'll put the title and what it means down below here. But in the meantime, welcome to the Man Cave here at Wistful Vistas in beautiful suburban San Diego, California. Kind of chilly today. About 62 degrees out there, which is tough for us Californians. I know you rugged types in the eastern parts of the US and elsewhere where you have a thing called winter. That sounds like nothing, but it's something here, let me tell you. Anyway, really excited today because kind of a big deal going on that I want to share with viewers everywhere, and that is I got new gear. You want to see what it is? Well, let's talk about it at first. I'm a big believer in ATGAT, all the gear, all the time. And ATGAT includes trying to stay up with the technology curve that's going on. And as many of you know, and I think you can see that over here, I have had the Dainese safety jacket, D-Air called safety jacket, for the better part of 4 years now. And it has saved me every time. Because although I did fall over at a stop sign once, I have to tell you that story, but it has never deployed. So will it save me? Hopefully it never has to deploy. But let's get on to what's new here in the Man Cave. Stand by. New thing number one, the Alpinestars Air Jacket compatible fabric riding jacket. Wow, check this out, folks. It's really cool. Oh man, let's just give it a try on. My mic might make a little noise. Let's just give it a try. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay. Fits like a glove. Hey, check me out. Check me out. The new Alpinestars jacket looks so cool, and it's set up for a very special component that can be used for this. It's actually designed to use this component. What could that be? New thing number two, the Alpinestars TechAir 5 safety system. Wow, look at this, kids. We're going to unbox it right away. Now, what happened was that I saw the opportunity to take advantage of some so-called Black Friday sales, which I did. And I thought, given that I've had the Dainese for 4 years, that there could have been a little bit of a march of technology that would warrant me investing in an upgrade to the TechAir 5. Let's see what's in the box. Wow. First thing that's in the box are two smaller boxes. Can't help it. What could be in them? Let's try this bigger one first. Might be a cool surprise in here. Let's just check it out. Open her up. Aha, it's a book. It's a TechAir 5 important read this manual, critical safety information inside, which I will definitely get on. It shouldn't take more than a week. Well, to be honest, there are several languages in here. I have given it a pre-inspection. There are several languages, but obviously I will be checking this out because doing it right is doing it right, particularly when it comes to safety. What's in that second box? The second box is smaller. What could be in there? Oh, looks like a bunch of electrical kind of things. Let's see if I can get them out without spilling them. I'm looking at a USB charging cable, and I'm looking at various types of plug-in. So Alpinestars, being an international company, they supply all the connectors for the various nations that are out there, including the good old excited states with our 110, 50, 60 cycles charging. So what happens is you get this adapter that the USB cable goes into here, and then you select whatever country you're going to charge yours up in, and then you put it on like this. Note of warning to all those out there opening and employing their very expensive TechAir 5 jacket. Read the small print. And as stated, the connector does come with several configurations for various international outlet types. There's a small tab on the base where the USB goes that you pull down on, and it opens up a little tab on the inside so that you can fit this in properly. And the way it goes in is that you start it at the top like that, and then you pull that little black thing down, and that locks it into place. To remove it, that'll work. Okay, so what's left in the box? Well, the pièce de résistance. Pardon my French, those of you who do speak French out there, but the main event, let's call it that, and that is the TechAir 5 jacket itself. And it's fit into this very high-tech custom box here. Be careful of how you dispose of that. And on the inside, we have the jacket itself. Now here's where the brains are located at the back of it. And there's another back protector on there. Let's bore you just a minute and put it on. Let's see how it feels when I put it on here. Yep, goes on okay. Does go on okay. I'm going to use my reading glasses again. Sorry folks, sign of age. How many of you out there are using reading glasses and forget to put them on? Raise your hand. No, don't raise your hand. I can't see it. All right. Hopefully I'm not making too much noise. Now this is kind of an interesting connection design here. They've got it so that you can't hardly get it wrong. Yeah, it's sort of interesting. A little different than the typical tongue and groove one gets. So there it is on. Now this is the TechAir 5. The back protector extends all the way down, and I'll with the smart system there, and I'll do a little separate video when the time is right about what some of the differences are between the Dainese D-Air jacket and the Alpinestars TechAir 5. I will say right off the bat, and I'll check this out, I'll put the weights down below, but right off the bat it seems lighter to me. Could be wrong about that, but it does seem as if it is somewhat lighter. And you've got some LEDs you've got some LEDs down here that I assume are important in the overall operation, but I got to read through that manual to determine just how important they are and what I need to do to get this charged up to be able to use it. But that's it. We've got it out of the box. I'm very excited about this. The sleeves extend down, and it zips up. I'm going to zip it up over my mic here. Bear with me, it might make a noise. I'll zip it up. Feels close and compact. There's a Velcro closure at the top, and goes down to just right around your waistline. Now, just for your reference, I'm a 44 chest, 34 waist. I've got a 30-inch inseam, weigh about 181 pounds. So this is a size large, as the jacket is. So these are probably a bit on the snug side for me, but I think that's going to be okay in the great scheme of things. But let me do a quick model turnaround for you so you can see the back. Not too shabby, huh? Anyhow, there it is, unboxing. Alpinestars TechAir 5 airbag system and the Alpinestars, it's a big long name, jacket. I'll put that down at the bottom. Big long name jacket that is designed to be compatible with this and to have the expansion panels in the right place so that as this inflates, it will give room so that it will perform its duty. And that is keeping you safe, which is what I hope happens on every ride that you'll ever take from now on. And if it comes to that, me too. Hey, cheers, everybody. We're going to learn more about this. Let's go on this ride. Let's go on this ride together. Talk to you later.